Welcome to my channel. Jackie here to help you simplify living. It is what it is. I am a mother of four. I am a very happily married wife, and it just brings me so much joy to share with you tips and resources, mostly in parenting, probably for living. I mean, there's just so much that's out there that's expensive, too much information. Let's just keep it simple, right? So I want to say one thing. Thank you, thank you, thank you for my 500 subscribers that I reached in the summer of 2022. It's taken a while. That's okay. I'm not here for all of that. I'm here to just help one person. So if I am helping 500, I'm so excited. That is such a wonderful joy. But again, it is important for me to make sure I get out the information that I find out that's free, easy, and again, making life simple. All right, well, subscribe, like, and all that other jazz. Share it with your friends and click notifications. I'm trying to get new videos out, but again, I can only get them when you comment and you ask questions. That really helps me know what to get out there for you. So again, subscribe and let me know. Don't be shy to comment. Bye-bye.